Do you always clean like this? Have you ever thought about how that bucket of water just keeps getting dirtier? Rinsing clothes with water wastes a lot of water, and wringing it out hard is tiring and still leaves things wet. Wearing gloves is also troublesome. But the most important thing is whether the cloth is clean. To solve all these problems, try this machine. It uses high polymer material that absorbs and locks in water. It clings to dust and small debris. After use, virtually no water remains on the surface. With just a tiny amount of water, it can clean up to 300 square feet. Every rotation brushes and cleans the roller while squeezing out dirty water. Clean water and dirty water are kept completely separate. It always uses fresh, clean water for every pass. You can pick it up and clean anytime. No need to prepare buckets, towels, or multiple tools. As for whether it really gets things clean, let's find out. Hello everyone, I'm V. This one in my hand is from HIZERO, the newly launched H100R multi-surface cleaner. It's a handheld cleaner that can replace towels, buckets, and rubber gloves. But first, a quick note about HIZERO's floor cleaner. I think our channel's fans are familiar with it. It uses a high polymer roller for cleaning. It not only cleans but also protects the floor. Quiet, durable, and without raising dust. Unlike a general floor washer, this time we can finally bring this technology to a handheld machine. It's so compact. It can clean the hard surface above. It weighs only about 2.2 pounds, around 2.4 pounds with water. Just turn it on, push to clean, and pull back to collect. Solid goes into this box, while liquid goes into the separate dirty water tank. It can be cleaned separately. It's neat and clean. The design includes a comfortable close-fitting position and a roller on the handle that helps it move forward with minimal effort. The roller will drive forward. When pulling back, lift slightly. The roller will remove the dirty water. This wiper is made of soft rubber material, and there is a spring at the front, so it's not afraid of being pressed too hard. You can push it flat, vertically, or sideways. In the past, we need to use towels, buckets, and rubber gloves, but now they are not needed. It looks nice enough to leave on the table or countertop, ready to grab whenever you need it. Of course, good design is one thing, real performance is another. Let's put it to the test. Test 1. Water usage. Claim, can clean over 300 square feet on one tank. Let's do a test. Let's try to clean this big table, to see how much water it will use. The table is more than 16 square feet. After 10 pushes, it's about 160 square feet. It had used roughly half the water, so it should be no problem to clean 300 square feet. Test 2. Water stains left. Every time the roller comes out, it maintains just the right moisture level. Let's take a look at this test. The cleaned area was completely dry. Test 3. Cleaning power. The most important test, does it actually get things clean? We poured some soy sauce on the white countertop. Let's try to clean it with this cloth. It required a lot of extra effort. It's getting bigger and bigger. But in the end, it was wiped clean. It looks clean. Then we use H100R to clean it. You'll notice the stain doesn't just stay put, it spreads, making it even harder to clean. Invisible residue remains even when it looks clean. So how can we truly clean it? Regular rags have fine fibers that trap and hide stains. Very hard to rinse completely clean. The cleaning roller of H100R uses high polymers, which is smooth and soft in texture. Basically, it won't hurt the surface of the object. Under a microscope, you can see thousands of tiny holes. It can grab and lock in both dry and wet dirt. Both dry and wet stains can stick to it. Every rotation gives over 100 brushing plus squeezing cycles. This is what real self-cleaning looks like. Thanks to the self-cleaning function, you remove invisible grime instead of spreading it. Test 4. Tough stains. For stubborn stains, just push several times. Or park it on the spot and let the roller spin for a while. It works great on many surfaces, desks, kitchen countertops, glass mirrors, shower area, tiles. They also offer special cleaning solutions that improve results even more. The cleaning effect will be better. The main ingredient in their solution is deionized water, safe around pets and children. The machine itself looks good, so feel free to leave it in a convenient spot. If something spills, you can clean it immediately. Battery life: 60 minutes of use after 4 hours of charging. Cleaning a typical kitchen countertop takes only about 1 minute, so you don't need to charge it constantly. It uses a Type-C port, charge it with any phone charger, so it's convenient to take it to other places. The box includes a small cleaning brush for the dirty water tank, but honestly, it's rarely needed. Just rinse it since garbage and dirty water are separated. Just flush it. I think it's a very important advantage. Noise level: very quiet, around 60 dB. Optional accessory: 5-foot extension rod, with a rotatable head, great for high places or angles. The front position can be rotated. It's convenient to clean high places or different positions. My personal summary: this machine is genuinely convenient for everyday cleaning. Because it's small and lightweight, I just leave it somewhere accessible and grab it when needed. Room for improvement: it handles most flat surfaces around the house very well. If you're interested, check the link in the description or visit HIZERO's official website for more details. I'm VC you next time with new products.